I enjoy building things. Been doing that since I was 7 years old or less. We've been in business 55 years. We have our trailer line, farm tillage line, narrow aisle forklift line, and OEM military line. We build about 16 or 17 different products a day, and all of them have hoses on them.
Landoll and Gates have had a relationship for many, many years. One thing that we both have in common is we talk about quality.
Quality is always a bargain. When we put our name on a product, we're the one taking care of the service and warranty. So all the components that we do purchase on the outside are very important to us.
All of this equipment uses hydraulics. Landoll was the very first company in the world to go to MXT.
MXT hose is a lot lighter than any of our other hose that we've had, and the lighter the hose, the easier it is to use. And we use roughly 1.5 miles per day.
With the old hoses, they didn't slide in as easily and they were heavy. With the MXT hoses, they slide in a lot easier, they're a lot lighter, and I'm not nearly as tired or sore at the end of the day.
If you want to be a #1 company, like we want to be a #1 company, you want to get a #1 hose supplier, and I would suggest Gates.